So check this out. It's a pig. I don't know if it's wild. There is somebody's property right here, but holy cow, look at that. Well, hello there, sports fans. Welcome back to my channel. What in the world is Wayne going to do today? Well, today I had planned on riding a mountain pass here in southeast British Columbia called the Grey Creek Pass. But as you can see from this sign, it says it's closed for the season. I don't know when it opens, but I'm going to take this road as far as I can and see what I can see. All right, so this is the start of the dirt. I don't know how far it is until I'll get to a gate that says the pass is closed, but let's go for a ride on a dirt road. And we've got St. Mary's Lake here next to us, beautiful lake with the mountains in the background. So, all right, let's go have some fun. Hi. Just a question. At the beginning of this road, it said that the pass is closed. Do you know if in fact it is?
No, I've heard there's a bunch of snow still.
Okay, well, I'm going to go as far as I can and I'll see what I can see.
Yeah.
All right, I've reached my second sign that says Grey Creek Pass is closed for the season. All right, well, we stopped for a little view break here. So there's Olive. There are the mountains and the beautiful river. Uh-oh. I hear a truck coming, I think. Gonna turn on. Look at this boat coming down here. That's what I heard. I thought it was a logging truck because this is an active logging road. But check this out. Look at that. Wow. All right, so I've stopped here because this is bear scat, and I've seen a bunch of it in the last kilometer or so. This is not fresh. Some previous piles I've seen were fresh. So I am in I'm in the middle of bear country here. I did not bring my bear spray. I should have. Good. Anyway, we got bears. Let's see if we can see one. That would be awesome. All right, well, like the sign said, the pass is closed. So, all is not lost, though. I have had a thoroughly enjoyable ride through these Canadian wild forested mountains. It's just freaking gorgeous up here. So, anyway, great ride. I'm going to go to a spot a little bit lower down where I can throw the drone up in the sky and take some photos. Okay, well, we have made it back to the pavement. I don't know how much you guys enjoyed that ride. Probably not as much as I enjoyed it, but I hope you enjoyed it enough where you'll give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you do like it, there's more of these rides to come, so stay tuned and ciao.